Good morning students. So welcome to this particular lecture. In the previous lecture we have solved question number 1 of practice set 5.3, okay, wherein we have seen the expansion of the form a minus b bracket raised to 3. Now in this particular lecture we are going to solve the question number 2 of the same practice set, okay, but here we have to simplify the given binomial equation, okay. So to simplify this, again we have to use the general formulas of expansion, okay. So we are going to apply the a plus b bracket raised to 3 expansion formula and a minus b bracket raised to 3 expansion formula, okay. So let us start with the very first question, okay. So what is the equation? We have to simplify in bracket 2a plus b raised to 3 minus in bracket 2a minus b bracket complete raised to 3, okay. So let us start with the very first step, that is 2a plus b raised to 3 minus 2a minus b raised to 3 equal to, now the expansion of 2a plus b raised to 3, what it will be? It is going to be 2a cube plus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube. Okay, the expansion of 2a plus b bracket raised to 3 is 2a cube 2a raised to 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square plus b cube. Okay, from where do we have find out this expansion? We have given this expansion by using the general formula or expansion formula of a plus b bracket raised to 3, okay. Similarly you will find, okay, minus sign as it is, then 2a minus b bracket raised to 3, what it will be? It will be 2a raised to 3 minus 3 into 2a square into b plus 3 into 2a into b square minus b cube, okay. Now let us simplify this. So 2a ka cube, that is 8a cube, okay, plus 3 into 2a square into b. So 3 into 2 का square, 2 का square क्या है? 4 है, so 3 4s are 12, so we will 12a square b, okay, plus 3 into 2 is nothing but 6, so 6ab square plus b cube as it is, okay. Then minus sign as it is, 2a cube is nothing but 8a cube, okay, minus 3 into 2a bracket is to square, so 3 into 2 का square, 2 का square क्या है? 4 है, so 12a square b, okay, plus 3 into 2 is 6, so 6ab square, okay, minus b cube, okay. Now 8a cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. Now this minus sign is going to be multiplied to the whole bracket, so minus 8a cube minus into minus plus 12a square b minus into plus minus 6ab square minus into minus plus b cube, okay. Now 6ab square minus 6ab square gives 0, okay. 8a cube minus 8a cube gives 0, okay, that means that they are cancelled out, so we got 12a square b plus 12a square b, that is nothing but 24a square b, okay, plus b cube plus b cube, that is nothing but 2b cube, okay. So the expansion of the simplification of the given equation, that is 2a plus b bracket raised to cube minus 2a minus b bracket raised to cube, is 24a square b plus 2b cube. We can also write this as 2b in bracket 12a square plus b square, okay. So the simplification is given is 2b in bracket 12a square plus b square, okay. So this is the required answer for the sub question 1. Let us see one more sub question of the practice set 5.3. Now we have to simplify 5x minus 7y raised to 3 plus 5x plus 7y raised to 3. So how we can simplify this? Again we are going to use the general formula of both the expansion type, that is a plus b bracket raised to 3 and a minus b bracket raised to 3, okay. So we can write 5x minus 7y raised to 3 plus 5x plus 7y raised to 3 equal to, now 5x minus 7y raised to 3, so the sign is minus sign, so the expansion used will be in the form of a minus b bracket raised to 3. So we are going to use that expansion formula. So we will get 5x raised to 3 minus 3 into 5x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y square minus 7y raised to 3 bracket complete plus the expansion of this, that is 5x cube plus 3 5x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y square plus 7y raised to 3, okay. So now we will simplify this. So 5x raised to 3 is there, so 5 cube 125, so 125x cube minus 3 7s are 21, so 21 into 5 square is 25, so 25, 21 and 25 x square y, okay, plus 3 into 5 is 15, okay, 15 into 7 square is 49, 49 into x square, sorry, x y square, okay, minus 7 cube is 343 y cube, okay, plus again same 125 x cube plus 21 into 25 x square y plus 15 into 49 into xy square plus 343 y square, okay. Now you can see here the plus sign is there, so the second bracket की जो साइंस है वो चेंज होने वाली नहीं है, ऐसी ही रहेंगी. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. देखो प्लस 343 वाई स्क्वायर वाई क्यूब और माइनस 343 वाई क्यूब, दोनों भी क्या हो जाएंगे, कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, ओके. सिमिलरली प्लस 21 and 25 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर वाई और प्लस 21 इंटू माइनस 21 and 25 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई, ये भी क्या हो जाएगा, कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ओके. फिर बचा क्या हमारे पास 125 एक्स क्यूब प्लस 125 एक्स क्यूब, ओके, प्लस 15 into 49 xy square plus 15 into 49 xy square. Okay, after solving this, what we are going to get? 125 plus 125, it is nothing but 250. So 250 x cube, okay, plus 15 into 49. What is 15 into 49? 9 5s are 45, 5, 4 carry upside, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, 1 9 is 9, 1 4 is 4, 5 here, 4 plus 9 is nothing but 13, 1 carry upside, plus 1, 2, 3 and 4, 7, so we get 755, okay. So 735 xy square plus 735 xy square. Therefore, what is the simplification of the given equation? It is 250x cube plus 735 plus 735 is nothing but 1470 xy square. Okay, so this is the required answer. So in this particular lecture, we have seen the simplification of two sub questions from practice set 5.3 question number 2. Okay, the remaining two sub question is going to be your homework. Along with the homework questions, you have to write down this solved example as well. Okay, now we have seen lot of examples of expansion. The only thing that we have to keep this in mind, that we must know the formula properly and we must be able to identify our A and B, and then we will put those values of A and B in the formula and we can solve the expansion easily. Okay, so in the next lecture we will be looking into the different type of expansion. Okay, until then, goodbye.